Business idea: sale and repair of phones. Every modern person has a cell phone. Many have already changed for 5 to 10 phones for a variety of reasons. Not everyone who ever sold their phone received a decent reward for it. For this reason, you can open a business for the sale and repair of phones. Opening a business for the sale and repair of telephones. Before starting a phone repair and sale business, you must have the following skills: knowledge of all phone models, their functions and market value, ability to make the most various types of phone repair, be able to find a common language with customers, to convince themselves of their innocence, keep abreast of new products on the market. 4 essential skills that will help you grow in the business of selling and repairing phones. If you have this skill set, then it's time to get started. The first thing you need is a little more practice, so place an advertisement in a newspaper on social networks about buying phones inoperative. Buy trash for a penny and practice as much as possible. Repaired phones can be sold, the rest remains as spare parts. Having trained, you can start a full-fledged business for the sale and repair of phones. Advertising in the same newspaper, but with the repair of telephones, the placement of advertising banners in the city, advertising at bus stops, and all with contacts, a website, a page on social networks and a telephone. Also be sure to advertise on the Internet. If you are engaged in the sale and repair of phones not at home, then indicate the address. The next step is to create pages on the Internet. In the city, you must have your own website or pages on social networks, so that it is easier for the population to contact you, find out about prices and view the catalog of phones for sale. Over time, your services will become more widespread, you and your pages will become famous, so people will be able to place sales of their phones for a fee on your directories. Options for doing business selling and repairing phones. There are several options. You can only sell phones, you can only repair phones, you can resell used phones, you can do all of the above at the same time. It is also worth noting that you can produce the above services in 3 ways: work from home, conduct work from a specific rental point in the city, conduct work only through the Internet. Important details of the phone sales and repair business. 1. When working with clients, you must be polite. 2. Even after obtaining status in the city, business turnover should not be reduced, do not raise prices, do not reduce the quality of work. 3. It is not necessary to register a home business, but without competition and expanding the client base, it is better to register a business so that emerging competitors do not undermine your business. Conclusion: being able to repair phones, you can open this business with simple advertising methods. With the help of quality services, you can quickly launch word of mouth. Social networks and advertising will constantly bring customers, and your business will bring good money. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.